Hello students, welcome to Analysis Hall. Please like and subscribe. Hello students, today I am going to tell you some of the important long questions from your syllabus. Now first we'll take from Unit 1. You have to prepare the sonnet, the elegy, the lyric and the dramatic monologue. And Unit 1 questions I had told you in my previous video. You can go there and note down those questions from Unit 1. Now we will move on to Unit 2, stanza forms, and you have to prepare question number 1. Write a note on the heroic couplet. Question number 2. Write a note on blank verse. Question number 3. The explain Spenserian stanza. Now we will move on to Unit 3. Unit 3, you have to prepare the kinds of meter, and second topic is stressed and unstressed syllables. Third is figures of speech. Note down question number 1. Write a note on poetic devices. And for this answer to this question, you have to see my video, The Poetic Devices. I had explained every topic in that, the whole chapter in that video. Question number 2. What is meter? Give its kinds. Question number 3. What are stressed and unstressed syllables? Question number 4. Define figures of speech. Explain some important figures of speech. And I had also explained these types of figures of speech in that video. You have to go there and see the answer to this question. Now we will move on to unit number 4, and you have to prepare William Shakespeare. The questions are Shakespeare as a writer of sonnets, and question number 2, write the critical appreciation of Let Me Not to the Marriage of True Minds, or another name of this poem is ट्रू लव. अगर ट्रू लव लिखा आएगा तब भी आप इसी पोएम का क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन लिखेंगे. Our next poet is John Donne. Now the question number 1 is write down the poetic qualities of John Donne. Next question, define metaphysical and its characteristics, and discuss John Donne as a metaphysical poet. One more question for this poet is write the critical appreciation of his poem Valediction Forbidding Morning. Now we will move on to next poet, Alexander Pope. You have to prepare the critical appreciation of his poem Ode on Solitude. Now unit 5, you have to prepare William Wordsworth. Note down question number 1. Write the critical appreciation of The World is Too Much With Us. Next question is write a note on William Wordsworth as a poet of nature. Now John Keats, his question is write the critical appreciation of his poem Ode to a Nightingale. And next question of John Keats is Keats as a poet with a special reference to his love of beauty and sensuousness. Now we will move on to unit 6, and you have to prepare Elizabeth Barrett Browning. And question number 1 is write down the critical appreciation of How Do I Love Thee. Next question, literary and poetic devices used by Elizabeth Barrett Browning in the poem How Do I Love Thee. Next poet is Matthew Arnold. His question is, write the critical appreciation of Dover Beach. Next question, write a note on the strain of elegy in the poetry of Matthew Arnold. Now Robert Browning. His question number 1 is, what is dramatic monologue? Discuss Browning as a writer of dramatic monologue. Question number 2 is, write the critical appreciation of The Last Ride Together. Now unit 7, you have to prepare W.B. Yeats. His question is, write the critical appreciation of his poem The Lake Isle of Innisfree and discuss Yeats as a symbolist. Next poet is Philip Larkin, and you have to prepare the critical appreciation of his poem Church Going. And from unit 8, you have to prepare practical criticism. Question is, what are the qualities and role of a critic? And you have to prepare stanzas for practical criticism that are given on page number 457, 458, 459, 460, 461, 462, 463 and 464 of your book, and prepare them thoroughly. And I will also explain one stanza in my next video, that how to explain the stanzas, if it is if we have to explain it, the practical criticism of every stanza. I will explain it in my next video, one stanza, so you can understand what is the procedure, what we have to do for practical criticism. Hope you have note down all the questions, and all the best for your exams. Thank you.